Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am going to share with you the famous recipe of the Halal guy street food that started in New York City. And now they've opened a restaurant in London in Leicester Square. It's a delicious seasoned chicken served with a flavorful rice and a delicious white sauce. I've made some changes to the recipe to make it even more delicious. It's quick, simple, and it's ready in no time. So stay tuned to find out how I make this very popular dish. You will find a list of all the ingredients for this recipe in the description box. First, we're gonna marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chili flakes. It's optional if you don't like chili. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of chawarma spices. This is the spice I've added to my recipe. You don't have to add this spice if you don't want, as it's not in the original recipe. 3 minced garlic cloves, half a lemon juice, and 2 tablespoonfuls of natural yogurt. Mix well the spices with the yogurt. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like. And add the sliced chicken breast. For this recipe, I've used 2 chicken breasts that I've cut in thin slices. Mix well the chicken to the marinade. Cover it and place it in the fridge while we prepare the yogurt sauce. Thinly slice 1 handful of parsley, If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done it yet and click on the bell to receive notifications. I post videos regularly. Then add 4 tablespoons of natural yogurt into a large bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a lemon juice, and add the chopped parsley. Add salt and pepper to your liking. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and mix well. Then cover and place it in the fridge. Next step, let's make the salad. Cut the salad leaves into thin stripes. Use the quantity that you want. And feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions. Then cut the tomatoes into small cubes. And leave it aside. Next step, let's make the rice. Add 20 grams of butter into a saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and let the butter melt. Add 400 grams of rice, well washed, and mix well the rice so it gets well coated with the butter. Add 1 chicken stock, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt or to your liking, and mix well the rice with the spices. Then add 500 ml of boiling water and mix a little bit. And add another 400 ml of water, so in total we've added 900 ml of water. Mix a little bit, cover, and let it cook on low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, switch off the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes covered. And after 5 minutes, with a fork, separate the rice. You should end up with a very nice fluffy rice. And for the last step, we're going to fry the chicken. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a hot pan. Add the sliced chicken breast. Let it cook until golden brown. Once cooked, turn the chicken breast. And once the chicken is cooked on both sides, remove it from the pan and place it in the plate. Then cut the chicken breast into slices. And now pour the fluffy rice into a plate. Add the chicken slices. Add the sliced lettuce. Add the cubed tomatoes and drizzle with the nice white sauce. And this is how they would serve it. It's absolutely delicious. The rice is very fluffy and very flavorful. The chicken is delicious and very juicy. And the white sauce is just perfect with this dish. You really have to try it, and I can assure you that you will love it. Bon appétit! I hope you liked this recipe, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon for new recipes.